Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So got an unboxing to do today, and this is from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So you can guess this is a knife, but first I want to show you the Gondek EDC Hank of the Month. This is a pretty sweet one. As usual, the nice microfiber backside, and this side is a different material. And I haven't read this whole letter, but if you look at it, it says it's the 42nd month of the HOTMC. And this brings us to this month's Hank. It is canvas material, but nothing like we have ever worked with. Normally, canvas tends to be kind of rough and tough, which works great for pouches. This canvas, though, tends to lean towards the softer side. And yeah, pretty cool. It is soft. Very, it's not stiff or anything like you would think canvas would be. Very nice. Different material than usual. I like these geometric designs. They're last year he did this one. This is one of my favorites. So they kind of go together. But yeah, if you don't know about Gondek EDC or his Hanks or the Hank of the Month Club, go check them out. If I remember, I'll try to put a link down in the description. And yeah, pretty cool Hank. I like this one. Now, going to this, I'm kind of eyeing a kick for these knives. The unboxing knife today, what I'm carrying is the case yellow synthetic trapper, carbon steel, right here, case, and USA 3254 CS. So yeah, this kind of leads into this knife. Like I said, I've been on a kick for trappers. I'm really liking carrying and using trappers. And yeah, didn't quite cut all the way through, did I? So, get the knife out. Huh. I might give it away. Got the return thing, got the invoice, got the little advertisement. I don't see any stickers. That's like first time I never got stickers from SMKW. So yeah, if you see that color, you might know what series this is. It's one of my favorite series. I have only one in the series. But yeah, it's the Wasp series. And I have the Canoe in the Wasp series. And these have VG10 steel. This is an awesome knife. G10 covers. Just awesome. But this is a trapper. Model RR2270, and yeah, usual branding on here, roughriderknives.com, China, made in China. I got this from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. These come in this little magnetic box, but yeah, let's check it out. I popped it out of the, coming out of the little cutout here. But yeah, and these cut, this foam cut out, pretty cool. This runs $17.99, I think. But I happened to check out Smoky Mountain's flash sale, and this was on there for like $14.50. I don't know, it was like $3.50 off the regular price, so I grabbed it. But yeah, let's check this out. Got the G10 handles. I'm not a big fan of yellow, but I like this. The yellow, green, and black, or gray. I call it black. Nice transition, can't even feel it. Got the slanted R pinch bolsters, nickel silver bolsters, brass pins. Let's check the back spring out. It's got a little oil on it. Now, that is very nice. There's really no gaps that I can see right now. Compare it to the case. There's a gap all the way down this side. There's none on this Rough Ryder. That is cool. Yeah. Centering is, both blades are very, very good. That might be off to the outside just a touch. The clip point is dead center. Sheesh, better than the case. Let's check the clip point. Oh, cool. I did not know this. It's got two nail poles. Got like a match strike pole back here. I guess they're both match strikes. That's a straight pole. That's a normal one. Let's check this out. Wow. The pole line, that is pretty good. I'd give that a solid 6. And it has a half stop. Awesome. The case does not have a half stop. I might do a comparison between these two. Nice. Got a strong back spring. Pretty nice. Let's see if I can find my paper. The edge doesn't feel super sharp. It's like I don't feel any burr left over, any wire burr or anything. Not too bad. It's a little fuzzy, little fuzzy cut. So a little stropping, a little honing, a little stropping to bring this right up. Like I said, the Wasp series has VG10 steel, which is a good step up from their 440 steel. Again, got the two half stop, or the two nail poles on here. Check the spade blade out. That's not as strong of a pole. I'd give that a 5 compared to the, yeah, this might be a little over a 6. Now I'd give it a 6.5. This one I'd give a 5. That has a half stop. Both blades have half stops. Yeah, very nice. 15, 17 bucks for this, or 15 to 18. That's a lot smoother, a lot cleaner, but yeah, I could use a good stropping. Do they say, they don't say VG10 on them. That's, neither does the Canoe. Rough Ryder. Again, RR22, I'm out of frame, 2270, China. I didn't check, see, this has Rough Ryder on it also. Nothing on the back side. Yeah. Walk and talk's not bad. Very nice. Let's just compare. I just want to kind of size it up with the case. They're almost identical in size. overall length. Very similar, very close. I'd have to get, my crown, my verniers out to tell the difference. You have a little longer kick on the Rough Ryder, so you got a little more room to put your fingers so it doesn't close up on you, because these are slip joints, of course. Back spring tension, pretty close. Case is a little bit stronger. This isn't bad. Yeah, just check that out. I like the swedge up here. That's different. The case doesn't have a swedge or anything. Grind is equal and looks pretty equal on both sides. Very cool. I do like this one. But yeah, check out the Wasp series. They got, I don't know, maybe like 7 or 9 different models, patterns. I got the canoe, which I really like the canoe. Let's open this baby up. And another thing I like about this one is the nail poles are on opposite sides, so you don't have to dig in here, use your thumbnail so much to pull out the spade blade. And I like the fact they have 2 nail nicks. This is awesome. I'm digging it. Let's open this up. So yeah, that's my 2 Rough Ryder Wasp series knives. There's a couple more I really patterns I want to get. But yeah, I guess that'll do it. Quick unboxing. Don't forget the Gondek EDC Hank. And yeah, I guess that'll do it for this video. Be on the lookout. You'll see these again in future videos. And yeah, do the usual like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, bye.